The function f of x is defined as 19 more than 4 times the number x. If y equals f of x is graphed in the xy plane, what is the best interpretation of the x-intercept? So this function f of x is defined as 19 more than 4 times a number. So we have 19 plus 4 times a number x. So 19 more than 4 times a number. So this is our function f of x, and we need to find the interpretation of the x-intercept. So the x-intercept on a graph, like say a graph, is the value of the graph when the value of y is 0. So the x-intercept is where the function intercepts the x-axis, and that happens when y is 0. So what we can do is just set y, or just f of x, equal to 0. So when f of x equals 0, we can solve for the value of x that gives us a f value of 0. And that's where the graph intercepts the x-axis. So 0 equals 19 plus 4x. So now we can just solve for x. We can subtract 19 from both sides to get negative 19 on the left and 4x on the right. Then we can divide both sides by 4 to isolate the x, so we'll have x equals negative 19 over 4. So the graph of f of x touches the x-axis at an x value of negative 19 over 4. So that means that when f of x equals 0, x equals negative 19 over 4. So the correct answer is A. So let's look at the other answer choices to make sure they're incorrect. So when the number is 0, f of x equals 19. So the number in this case is x, and that's incorrect. When x equals 0, f of x just equals 19. But this is not the x-intercept of the graph. The x-intercept happens when f of x equals 0, not when x equals 0. The value of f of x increases by 1 for each increase of 4 in the value of the number. This is describing the slope of the graph of f of x, not the value of the x-intercept. D says for each increase of 1 in the value of the number, f of x increases by 4. This is actually talking about the slope. This is talking about the inverse of the slope, so like 1 over the slope. So these both are not talking about the x-intercept, and B was talking about the y-intercept when x equals 0 and y equals some value on the y-axis. And only A is talking about the x-intercept, so A is correct.